Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Rachel and I'll be showing you how to create shots from existing video. So let's go right into Canva. Let me show you how it's done. Here on Canva, basically we are creating shots from already existing video. So you're going to choose a doc type that is suitable for what you are creating. So we'll be choosing mobile video. We click on mobile video. Now you go over to upload and upload the videos you want to be from your computer. Upload the video you want to be cropping or cutting out the shot out of. But I've included the video, I've uploaded the video I want to use. Then we'll move over to videos. When you click on the video, it will drop here. That is not that is not what you should do. Dragging and positioning it won't help you. To just make it a cut video. You see that? But we want to make it fit all the whole screen. So basically what we are going to do is this. You drag and drop the video down here. It fills up the whole screen.
Hello guys, welcome to today's.
You double click on the video and position it to the part you want it to be on. See, it can fit on any screen. You position it to where you want it to be. So we position it to where we want it to be and you click on done. Once you play this video, you see that
Tutorial. My name is Rachel and
it's focusing on the person talking now. So that's basically how to create shots on Canva from an existing video. If you like this video and you got value from it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.